Alright guys, I'm back inside. I'm going to use this piece right here with the blue alcohol. You can find it in pharmacy, it's very cheap. So I can actually clean the surface, the northbridge dye. I do not recommend just press on the northbridge, above the northbridge. It's very dangerous. And the second, now if you find this kind of issues, all you have to do is just use a stick like this, a sharp stick, wooden stick. You actually remove very gently the thermal compound from the northbridge dye. And do not press hard, because you may damage something very important here. And if the motherboard GPU die is affected, you can actually break the motherboard forever. And it's very important to be very careful when you're actually doing this and cleaning. Let's go from this side too. It's going to take a lot of work actually to remove this bad thermal compound. Do not insist on the PCB right here to actually scratch it. You know, it's very important also. And we're going to go around the GPU die. As you can see right here, the heat is suffered in this area from the heatsink actually. When the northbridge got very hot, we actually spread the heat through here, and I'm not sure if it's affected or not, because the instability could show in over time. So if you try to, if you run the, how should I explain to you? If you run the stability test or something and you actually seeing these things that is happening, of course you're gonna know that the northbridge of the GPU die was actually something happened to him, you know, because the heat generated here is probably 100 degrees or above. Now I'll use the alcohol wipe, so I can clean the surface again. And around the GPU, the die of the northbridge. It doesn't have much effect, but I think I'm going to try with something else, because this alcohol wipe it doesn't have effect on it. I don't know why, but yeah. And the camera, of course, will not focus, as usually. Okay, now it's focused. Now the next thing to do is to use the same work for the heatsink of the northbridge die. This one is very important to actually be like it actually holds the heatsink up like this, and it actually is more like it is absorbing the pressure that it actually goes for the from the die on the northbridge. And it's very important not to remove this thing. This part is very important, so you have to leave it this way and try cleaning only the area that the die of the northbridge was used here. Do not use the screwdriver because you can scratch the surface, and this will not be good for the northbridge. Actually, I've done this to several computers when I was younger, and the was actually overheating. It was overheating even worse, and since then I just quit this kind of technique. And yeah. Anyway, it's a lot of work, but you have to do it. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to test the parts. Yeah. Anyway, I'm not gonna bore you with showing this technique by cleaning the thermal compound from the heatsink, and see you in the part 4 of the video. Okay, see you then. Bye.